In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore an older version of your Wix site. Maybe you made some changes that didn't turn out the way you planned, or something broke and you just want to go back to a version that was working perfectly. The good news is, Wix keeps a history of your site, and you can restore a previous version in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through the whole process step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and that you have your site open in the Wix editor. At the very top of the editor, you'll see a menu bar. Look for the option labeled Site. It's usually toward the upper left area of the screen. Go ahead and click on Site. This is where Wix keeps a lot of important tools related to your overall site settings, including your site history. When you click on Site, a drop-down menu will appear. In that list, find and click on Site History. This is the feature that lets you see all the previously saved versions of your site. Think of it like a timeline of your site's edits, with snapshots from different moments in time. After you click Site History, you may see an option or button that says, Go to Site History. Click on that. This will take you out of the editor view and into a dedicated page in your Wix dashboard that focuses on your site's version history. On the site history page, you'll see a list of versions, usually organized by date and time, sometimes with notes like autosave or manual save. Next to each version, there will be a small arrow or similar icon. Click on that small arrow for the version you'd like to restore. This will expand more details about that particular version so you can confirm it's the one you want. Once the details are expanded, you'll see an option labeled Restore. When you're sure you've chosen the correct version, click Restore. Wix may ask you to confirm that you want to restore this version because it will replace your current site in the editor with that older copy. Confirm the restore and give it a moment to process. After it finishes, your editor will load the older version of your site. From here, you can review everything, make any additional tweaks you need, and then publish again when you're ready so the restored version goes live.